In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Calendly to EngageBay CRM step by step. This is a really useful setup if you want to automatically sync your scheduling and lead data, streamline your workflow, and keep everything organized in one place without jumping between tools. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's get started. First, log into your EngageBay account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From here, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your avatar or profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that list, select Preferences. This is where EngageBay keeps your account settings and integration options. Once the Preferences page opens, look at the left-hand menu pane and click on the Sync tab. This tab is important because it contains the connection settings for third-party apps and services. Now scroll down through the list of available integrations until you find the Calendly section. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling carefully because it may be farther down the page depending on your account layout. When you find Calendly, click the Enable button right next to it. This tells EngageBay that you want to begin the connection process. After that, a secure pop-up window will appear asking you to authorize the app. At this stage, enter your Calendly login credentials if prompted, then click Authorize or Connect to allow the two platforms to share data. This permission is necessary so EngageBay can communicate with Calendly properly and sync the relevant information. Once the authorization is complete, the pop-up will close automatically and you'll be taken back to EngageBay. Give the page a moment to refresh. You should now see a connected, enabled, or active status showing that the integration has been successfully turned on. At this point, your Calendly and EngageBay CRM accounts are connected, and you can start using them together to improve your scheduling and contact management workflow. If you ever need to double-check the connection, come back to the Sync tab and verify that Calendly still shows as active. And that's it. You've successfully connected Calendly to EngageBay CRM. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.